I had this idea of approaching TBlack. It's because I love Range Rovers, I love Porsches, but I also love them when they're modified. So I got this idea that to go to TBlack and see what their interpretation of a classic Linde Werdelin would be, and kind of have a Linde Werdelin which you then kind of emphasize even more with an outside input. And we talked about this idea, about this project together. These two series came out of that, the Spido Speed and the Spido Light.
With my background in free ride skiing and the adventure side of things, and it resonated with me immediately. I had a chance to work on some of these pieces. They're sandwich dials, they're not plain flat brass plate generic. Remove the ADLC coatings and without corroding any of the existing substrate steel metal, keeping its heritage, pulling it back into something which is individual and unique.
The way that we thought about watches, with instruments, for skiing and diving, and having a very sort of personal involvement in what we do, and I can see the same thing with what TBlack does. I looked at the walls and I saw some of the dials that you've done for some of the other pieces.
To integrate our own design on some of the watches that have been fantastically successful for us, beautifully crafted, getting that mix just right, making a very beautiful monochrome finish, and what it is that we want to achieve and how we get there. There's going to be 10 pieces in each of these models, the Spido Light Monochrome and the Spido Speed Monochrome, and we're super excited to show it to everyone, and we can't wait for you to see it.